So for this week's video, it is something completely different and I'm super excited to share this with you guys. I've been waiting for so long and it's finally here. And I'm using this for college, so I'm super excited. But it is going to be an iPad unboxing. This is amazing. So an iPad unboxing setup, and just some of the apps I am going to be downloading and putting onto my iPad for school. So without further ado, let's get right on into it. So I have the handy dandy box right here. And this has the iPad in it. And then I did get this a few days earlier, and this is the Apple Pencil. So I'm super excited for this as well. So first we're going to open up the iPad. So let's try to open up this box. I feel like doing it sitting down is so hard, but let me see. I don't know. Don't come at me, I'm not using scissors and I know that. Okay. So here it is. This is the iPad Air. It is just in rose gold, or not rose gold. I think it's gold, but it looks rose gold on the box. So that's the color I got it in. And I thought the iPad Air would be best for school purposes, and everything that I kind of wanted to do on it, I'll be able to do on this. So yeah. Let's get her out of the plastic. There we go. So here she is. And then in here, I kind of opened this when I first got it because I was super excited. But I did not take it out of the actual packaging. But like I said, it is the Apple Pencil. This is the Apple Pencil first generation. So yeah. So I'm going to take the Apple Pencil out of the box. Oh, she's so pretty. I am going to be getting a case for both my Apple Pencil and my iPad. I'm just waiting to decide which one I want. So yeah. Plastic on it. And here she is. So pretty. I'm super excited. And then in here has the extra tip and cover, which is awesome that this is provided. Now for the bad boy. I don't want to ruin it. There we go. She's so pretty. So in the box you get the cord, and then comes with like the little booklets and stuff, and then the 3-prong, or no, this is not the 3-1, the 2-prong charger, and it's like the little box chargers. It has a USB port here, and then just a regular wall, and that's when you plug it into the wall. Awesome. Now literally doing this is so fragile. She's so pretty. It definitely is a rose gold instead of like an actual gold, which is perfectly fine because that is what I wanted. So here she is. For everyone who's also wondering, this is the iPad Air, like I mentioned. It is the 10.5 screen 2019 generation. So, I'm obsessed. I love it. So we're going to turn her on and we're going to get started with the process. Okay, so I'm gonna have it pick my language and then, which is English, and then country, United States. Quick start. We're gonna set it up manually, just because I don't want everything that's on my phone on here. So yeah. But I am gonna actually do it for the Wi-Fi, so I don't have to put in the Wi-Fi password. And now it's just connecting. So it connects to my phone, and then it has you enter in a password. It has you enter the password of your phone. So I'm gonna do that. Awesome, and then it starts setting it up. I'm holding the pencil. I don't know if I can use the pencil yet. I think I have to set it up manually. So, okay, fingerprint, we're gonna do that. Okay, so I don't want it to transfer my apps or my data. So, because I'm putting all the new apps on it for school, different apps that are not on my phone, as well as I don't need everything that's on my phone on here. I'm not really going to be putting like my Postmates on there, which I use all the time. I'm not going to be putting all of my fashion stuff on there, or any of those kinds of things. Like I said, I'm strictly using it for school and business. So yeah. Agree, and then continue, enable. Yeah, I can't use. Continue. I don't want my cards on there. Set up later in settings. Siri, continue, we're gonna do that. No, I don't want to share my audio recordings. iPad analysis. Don't share. Quick access, continue. Switch between continue, want that, continue. Welcome to the iPad. Get started. And here she is. So this is everything. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be downloading, but also in a whole another video I'm going to be doing all of the apps that I use for planning, for organizing, and how I actually do that. So that's going to be all done in a future video. So first I'm going to set up my pencil on here since it's not set up. It doesn't set up automatically. So I don't know how to do that. We're going to figure that out. It does yeah, I'm definitely gonna need a case where it can actually like sit. That's what I want. I'm gonna find a case that it'll sit and it'll hold on. Yeah, I know it's magnetic and it's supposed to stick, but I do want it to actually hold the pencil so I don't lose it, just in case if that doesn't fully want to work, because majority of the time my stuff never wants to work. So I like to do that. Let's see if it has anything for setting it up. Go to Bluetooth. That's what it looks like it's having. So, well, my Bluetooth has my AirPods. Let's see if it'll pull up the pencil. It does not really say on here how to set it up. That's what I'm confused about. I'm gonna look it up on my phone real quick, how to set it up. Remove the cap and plug your Apple Pencil. Ooh, oh, haha. So remove the cap. You plug this in. It looks like here. I'm gonna hold it very carefully. There we go. It looks funny. When you see the pair button, tap it. I don't see the pair button yet. Into the lightning connector on your iPad. When you see the pair button, tap. I don't see the pair button. Let me unplug it and replug it in. Okay, so it's taking a little bit to set up the Apple Pencil, which is really confusing. Like, it's weird that it's taking a little bit, but it's okay. So I'm going to start downloading the apps that I know that I need and want for school. So the first one is GoodNotes. So I'm going to do that. We're just gonna get her on. So I think the one that I want to do, because I know it's technically GoodNotes, I've heard different things between Notability and GoodNotes, which I think GoodNotes is like the one that I really want to do. So I'm going to just double check the pictures and make sure, because I am paying for this app, so I do want to make sure that it is what I want. You can set notebooks, yeah. Pretty sure this is the one that I want to do. So I think you can also do different papers and all of that kind of stuff. It looks like so. So that is the one that I'm going to do, so I'm going to buy it. And then, as well as I know that I want to get Procreate, so I'm going to do that. So I'm just pulling up Procreate, and I want to do this one, which is $10. That is the one that I've been wanting to use, so I'm super excited for that. And then I'm going to also download a few more apps, but you guys are going to have to wait for my iPad organization and kind of what I use my iPad for, what's on my iPad. So I am going to use and download a few more apps, but you guys are going to have to wait for my what's on my iPad video and how I organize it. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed me setting it up. and all of that fun kind of stuff. So if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe, and let me know what types of videos you want to see next. Bye!